पहले अराइव कहाँ लिखा हुआ है बताओ, लाइन बताओ आप।
मैम फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ का
मैम मैंने पहले चैट में इतनी बार अराइव लिखा,
It's okay, पलक. It's okay. Arrive is also there, but to get is also there. Next is second one. Comprehension number 2. Water cycle. Precipitation is.
Ma'am, first water release from clouds in the form of
Write down the answers in the chat box. You can write down the option number as I have written on the board. In the same way, you can also write. Everybody write down the answer. First, Vanchika, first, Komal, Meeta. Okay, right. The right answer is water releases from the clouds in the form of rain. Next is the area far from ocean and large water bodies receive more, less, moderate, less, or heavy. Second option. Far from ocean or large water bodies receive dash rain. The right option is less rain. Very good. The right option is less rain. Next is third one. Hydrologic means repeated water evaporation, precipitation, water cycle, formation of clouds, or repeated change of water in solid, liquid, and in gas. The right answer. Ujal, how many times you will write down the answer? Question number first, third part, hydrologic means the right option is repeated water evaporation and precipitation.
First option.
Repeated evaporation and precipitation. It is the first option. Got it? Okay, next is question number 2. You have to find a synonym. A layer of rock and sand that absorbs and holds water. Paragraph number 2, you can find it out. A layer of rocks. Be quick.
The mountain. Mountain हो सकता है क्या?
Sure, give me the right answer. What about others? Give the answers. A layer of rock and sand that can absorb and hold water.
Ma'am, aquifers.
Ma'am, aquifers.
It is write down the answer. Aquifers is the right answer. Palak has given the right answer. Anybody else write down? It is aquifers. Right answer.
Ma'am, it is in glossary.
Next is refill. Paragraph number 2. Refill.
Replenish.
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 Replenish is the right answer. The synonym of the word refill is replenish. Everybody got the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? Okay, I am getting once again.
Ma'am, question second का B कौन सा है?
Oh, I am giving you all the answers once again. You can see comprehension 8.2.
मैम
So,
इधर लिखा है
Ma'am, please write
और
bold.
आंसर, तो उसमें वही आंसर वापस लिखने हैं.
What? Palak, say again.
Ma'am, I am saying that there is written space for answers.
Yeah, right. You have to write down the answers in the space provided, which is on the next page. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Question number first. A part. The right answer is first. B part. The right answer is second. Less rain. And third. Again, the first option. Hydrologic means repeated water evaporation and precipitation. Okay. Then question number 2, in which you are supposed to find the synonyms. The first is the layers of rock and sand that absorb and hold water. Yes.
Aquifers.
It is aquifers. A
मैम
Q U. Yes. I.
मैम मैंने
F,
क्वेश्चन
E,
के
R.
सामने ही आंसर लिखा है.
It's okay, Sujan. It is not a big deal. It's okay if you have written. Next is refill.
Replenish.
Finish. All those who have done, they can check their answers. Those who have not done, you can write down. Done?
Ma'am, A3,
Yes.
8.3.
Oh.
Now you can. You have understood how to do the comprehension. You can do at home also, na yourself.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
you can do these comprehension at home yourself, and we will be only discussing the answers in the next in the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody will has to do. Now you all will open your books. Determiners, which is the third topic.
Ma'am, page number.
Ma'am, in homework, how many percentages?
Come again.
Ma'am, homework में कौन से percentages करने
I
हैं?
will tell you. Don't worry. You can do 8.3 and 8.4 in the homework. Comprehension number 8.3 and 8.4 will be done in the homework, so that we can discuss the answers in the next class. 8.3, 8.4. See, I'll write it. Homework. Comprehension number 8.3 and 8.4. Both are to be done in the homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Biographical sketch करवाओगे?
No, we will not do this. We will be first starting with the determiners. First, everybody check your answers. I want to erase it, whatever is written on the board. Everybody check your answers fast.
Ma'am, the PDF of notice. Ma'am, PDF of notice.
Right? You have done this PDF of, you have not received the PDF of notice writing, okay? But I have shown you the also the screen.
मैम नोटिस का कुछ कॉपी में करना है क्या?
Notice writing. No, you do it in the book itself. Notice and message writing we have done, which we have done two each. You have to do it in the book itself. Okay?
कॉपी में कुछ नहीं करना.
I will tell you if you have to do it. Okay?
Ma'am,
Are you all ready?
determiners are
It's on page number 117.
17.
Everybody. Yes. Are you all open with your videos now? And sit straight, everybody. I want to see everybody. Are you all there or not? Nirbhay, sit straight. Pari, open your video. Umal and Ramni. Page number 117. Be quick, 7th class.
क्या हुआ?
Okay, now we will be studying the next topic is our determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are the words. Determiners are the words which are placed before noun. Is it clear? See, all of you. Determiners are the words which are placed before the noun to define them. Define them or fix their meaning. Determiners are the words. Pari, mute yourself.
मैम आप ही सबको अनम्यूट म्यूट कर दो.
Pari, mute yourself. Okay, I am muting you all. If you have any queries, you can write down in the chat box. So, we are starting with the determiners. Determiners are the words which are placed before the noun to define them or to fix their meanings. Because these words are used to fix their meaning, so they are also known as fixers. They are also known as fixers. Is it clear? Because they are used before the noun. For example, some apple, a lot of water, 5 bananas. Now in this sentence, apple, water and bananas are the noun, and some, a lot of and 5 are the determiners which are placed before the noun, and they are used to define their meaning. Define their meaning or fix their meaning, like apple, how many apples? Some apples. Then water, how much water? A lot of water. Bananas, how many bananas? 5 bananas. For example, a boy. The Taj Mahal. In this again, boy and Taj Mahal are the noun, and the are the determiners which are placed before these noun to define their meanings. A boy means one noun, countable and singular. The means the Taj Mahal, which is used to point out toward a specific building name, that is Taj Mahal. So all these are the examples of the determiners. I will give you one more example. There are many boxes in the cupboard. In this sentence, boxes is the noun, and the determiner which is placed before the noun is many, which is defining the meaning of the noun. How many boxes? Many boxes. So this many is the determiner. Is it clear? If it is clear, you can write down the in the chat box if yes or no. Is it clear to everybody? No, Palak, you don't have to write this. 7th class, only pay attention to what is being told you to explain you. Don't write anything in the book. Whatever is to be written in your book, send in your copies, I will let you know. You only have to pay attention to what is being taught. Is it clear? So there are many boxes in the cupboard. These all are known as the determiners. After doing the definition, we will be next studying about the kinds of determiners. Kinds of determiners. In your book, you can see there are 5 kinds of determiners mentioned, but we will be doing 7 kinds. The last 2 I will explain you in short, but you will also have to know about them also. We will be doing 7 kinds of determiners, out of which 5 are given in your book. The first one is article. Second is demonstrative. Third is possessive. Fourth is distributive. Fifth is interrogative. Article, demonstrative, possessive, distributive, interrogative. Sixth is quantitatives. This quantitative determiners is also known as quantifier. Quantifiers. This quantitative is also known as quantifiers. Next is numeral. N-U-M-E-R-A-L is numeral. When we will be doing this numeral, in this we will be including both, which we have done in the previous classes also. हमने पहले भी किया था pronoun and adjective में ordinals and cardinals. Ordinals and cardinals. Both are included in this numerals. What is ordinals and what is cardinals? I will explain you. We will be first beginning with the article. Is it clear? Now when we start with articles, we all know when we talk about article, articles, we immediately say a and the are the articles. Now this articles are divided into two categories. First is definite and other is in. First is definite and other is indefinite. In the indefinite we include a and in the definite we include the. Is it clear? When do we use a and when do we use the definite article? We will be first studying about a and an. A and an are the indefinite articles which are used for singular countable nouns. Now, A and N is used for singular countable nouns. Also, A is used for singular countable nouns which have a consonant sound. Singular countable noun, that is, they are beginning with the consonant word and also they have a consonant sound. And N is used also for singular countable noun with vowel sound. For example, anybody want to give the example in the chat box? Why, Palak, what do you want? Okay. Yes, Palak, you can unmute yourself now.
मैम बुक में तो सिर्फ 5 ही काइंड्स दे रखे हैं.
And I told you in books there are 5 kinds of determined mentions. We will be doing 2 more, and those 2 I will be explaining you in very short. Okay?
ओके मैम. और मैम एक
And,
और बात बोली थी,
come on.
आपकी वॉइस बीच-बीच में कट रही है बहुत ज्यादा.
Okay, Palak, only I will keep you unmute. If there is any problem, you can let me know. Okay? But nobody will, but don't speak in between again and again. Okay? Okay. Next is, as we have started with the first article. There are 2 definite and indefinite. Definite article is the, and indefinite are a and are used for singular countable nouns with a consonant sound. And is used with singular countable noun with vowel sound. Now, why do we call a and the indefinite articles? Because they do not point out towards any specific person or a thing. Indefinite article, that is a and they are called indefinite because they do not point towards any specific or particular person or thing. Is it clear? If I say a boy, I don't know which boy. For example, a boy, a box, an insect. I don't know which boy. A boy. So it can be any boy, any box, any ant, or any insect. You can we also use ant because of its vowel sound. Next is, should I write it? Will you be able to see so that you can make a comparison? Next is definite article, and definite article includes the. Now, why this the is called the definite article? It is so called because it points out towards particular or specific person or thing. Is it clear? This is called definite article because it points out towards a particular or a specific person or a thing. Anybody would like to give an example? You all are very much aware about it. So can anybody give the example? Nobody. Give the example. For example, the Taj Mahal. I gave you the Taj Mahal. The Times of India and the Mount Everest. These all are. This is a name of a particular building, so we have used the definite article. Times of India is the name of a particular newspaper, so we have used the definite article the, and Mount Everest is the name of a particular peak, so if we have written use the definite article the. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? I am unmuting you so that you can let me know. If anybody is having any problem, you can ask April here so that we can move on further.
मैम मैंने एक एग्जाम
Yes, and
पे लिखा था.
the Golden Temple is very beautiful, very good. And anybody else? Also make it sure that when you should also know that when we are using the name definite article the, with that the name of a particular building, newspaper, mountains, or person or religion or anything, it should be in capital letter. That is, it should be capitalized.
I see an aeroplane.
I have also written
Okay,
many
is it clear?
examples.
Okay, how many of you have written?
Excuse me,
Let
ma'am.
me see. Yes.
मैम
Let me see.
अगर हम कलर के आगे एन का इस्तेमाल करेंगे जैसे कि एन वायलेट तो मैम वो सही होगा क्या?
Please come again.
मैम
Please
अगर
come again.
कलर के आगे अगर हम एन का यूज करेंगे अगर वो साउंड वोवल है तो जैसे कि एन वायलेट तो मैम वो सही होगा क्या?
And
वायलेट.
Violet, you can write down in the chat box. I cannot hear you clearly.
ओके मैम.
My phone is. You can write down in the chat box. Also. Yes, write down. No, Violet. Its sounding is V. No, and Volany a wallet. Is it clear? Have you understood? And you all are very much aware about the rules that when do we use a and when do we use and when do we use the. The, as we know, the definite article the is used before the name of a nation or a party or a community, gulf, canal, rivers, oceans, seas, mountains, newspapers, magazines, famous books, famous persons. Before the names of these particular person, we always use the article the. Is it clear to everybody?
ओके मैम.
Okay, and we also know that when do we use the indefinite article a and the. There are certain words like university, European. That is, they begin with a vowel, but their sound is a consonant sound. In that cases, also we use we do not use an. Maybe the word is starting with a vowel, but not its sound is consonant, so we use a before it. Is it clear?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Also,
मैम.
yes, one second. Yes, one.
मैम आप
Okay.
भी एग्जांपल देना छोड़ते पहले कि देयर आर मैनी बुक्स इन द कबर्ड तो मैम आपने बोला मैनी बुक्स. मैम मैनी डिटरमाइनर एंड बुक्स इज नाउन तो मैम उसके बाद जो द कबर्ड है मैम उसके अंदर कबर्ड नाउन एंड द डिटरमाइनर हो सकता है क्या?
Yes, it is. It is a determiner.
मैम
We move on further. Yes, Sujan.
मैम द तो किसी नेम के लिए आते हैं ना?
Yeah, the name of any particular person, place, animal, or a thing. Like person, place. As I told you, we also write it before the name of a river, an ocean, buildings, newspapers, magazines, famous persons.
मैम ओनली ओशियन के आगे मैम ओशियन के साथ तो द नहीं आएगा ना, उसके नाम के साथ आएगा.
Ocean के नेम के साथ ही तो आता है, समझा? द इंडियन ओशन, हाउ विल यू राइट द इंडियन ओशन? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
यस मैम, अगर हम द ओशन लिखेंगे तो गलत हो जाएगा.
Obviously, it is a name. Which ocean? We do not know which ocean. And if we write only the word ocean, can you tell me what kind of noun it is? Ocean is what kind of noun?
Ma'am, common.
No ma'am.
It's a common noun. But if we write
No
the
common.
very good. But if we write the Indian Ocean, it becomes proper noun. And we
Proper
have also
noun.
learned this one rule. Yeah, we have also learned this one rule that before the proper noun we write the article. Is it clear? And many of the students were asking during that class, ma'am, please explain when do we write about the articles and the. And I told you that we will be learning it later. So this is the right time when we study determiners. The first kind of determiners is the article. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
anybody wants to ask anything from this, you can ask.
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You can see into now. You all can look into your books. Page number 170. Everybody look into your books. I would like to go through the whatever is written in the books once. It is articles can be divided into two categories: indefinite and definite. The indefinite articles are the one which do not refer to any particular person or a thing. Can you all see? Persons or a thing is not specific, so it remains indefinite. For example, I saw a girl in the park. What kind of girl? I do not know. Next is Ajay said he wanted an umbrella. An umbrella? Which umbrella? We do not know. Maybe there are 5 or 6 umbrellas there, and he wanting to say an umbrella. Now, out of those 5 or 6, any umbrella could be pointed out towards. Is it clear? Next is definite. They are known as definite because they are used to refer to a particular or a definite person or a thing, right? The lawyer appealed to the judge. Now, the lawyer in the court is fixed. The judge in the court is fixed. The sun rises in the east. Sun is a particular object, and also the west is also a particular direction.
जैसे सेंटेंस में लिखा है I saw a girl in the park. जब उस गर्ल के बारे में वापस बात करते हैं तो she आएगा, पर the girl भी तो आ सकता है. The girl was playing in the park.
Actually, this is I would like to tell you, this is one of the important rules of article A and the. Whenever we write a paragraph about any one thing describing that person or a thing, then when we write in the beginning for the first time we always use verb. For example, there was a boy. And when we continue this paragraph and whenever the boy comes again, when the boy words come again, in that case we use the article. Now, why so? Because, for example, let me complete these 3 sentences. There was a boy. The boy was running after a dog. The boy fell down. Can you see here? Now, when I began this,
And Saksham की घर से आवाज आ रही है.
Saksham, mute yourself. See, as Palak was asking, when at times we write O and at times we write the. Whenever we are writing a single sentence and we are saying there was a boy. Now, boy can be any boy. So in that case, we write a. But if we are writing a paragraph for a few sentences about the same person or a thing or an animal, in that case we use for the first sentence we use a. And next, in the next sentences, whenever the same noun is repeated, as you all can see, In that case, we use the article the. Why so? It is so because whenever we are writing the first sentence, there was a boy. In this sentence, we do not know which boy, but there was a boy. But whenever we are writing in the next sentence, we are mentioning about that same particular boy whom we have mentioned first. In this sentence, this boy is the one whom we have already talked about. So that now this boy becomes a particular boy about whom we have referred in the first sentence. That is why we have written the article over here. Is it clear? There was a boy, एक लड़का था. The boy was running after the dog. यानी वही लड़का जो था वही अब dog के पीछे रन कर रहा है. So now this boy has become particular. This is the reason we have written the article dog over here.
मैम द
Is it
बॉय
clear,
की जगह
Sujal,
ही भी तो
Pala?
लिख सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
No, yeah, he can. No, we can write. But in that case, हम noun की जगह we will be using preposition. But here we are talking about articles. What are we talking about? What are we
Ma'am,
talking
article.
about? Articles. We are not talking about noun and pronoun, that a sentence is begin with a noun, and wherever in the sentence the noun is repeated, we can use the pronoun. I already explained you in the pronoun. What is a pronoun? You can look into your notes also after the class. That now pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. In the second sentence was, why do we use pronoun? We use pronoun to avoid the repetition of a noun and to bring the sequence of the sentence. There was a line given this now. I have mentioned that line also in the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do we use pronoun? We use pronoun to avoid the repetition of a noun, to give a refined reading. There was a line mentioned to give it a refined reading,
Ma'am?
to give it a refined flow. Yes, Sujan?
मैम एक सेंटेंस में द कितनी भी बार आ सकता है क्या?
In a sentence, in one single sentence. It depends upon how many, it depends upon the sentence, that whenever, that how many nouns we are using and do we are pointing towards any particular noun or not.
मैम अगर 3 नाउन होंगे तो 3 की जगह पे आएगा.
Okay, Palak, just a second. Let Sujan finish first. Yes, Sujan?
मैम अगर
Yes.
3 जगह पे नाउन होगा तो 3 जगह पे आएगा.
Depends. Sentence में आता है. It comes.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Anything? Palak, what do you want to ask now?
मैम मेरा ये कंफ्यूजन है कि आपने भी बताया कि अगर हम उसी पर्टिकुलर नाउन के ऊपर करते तो द आता है. तो अगर हम लिखेंगे कि इसमें किसी का सेंटेंस ले लेती हूँ मैं, आई सॉ अ गर्ल इन तो अगर हम शी लिखेंगे तभी तो पर्टिकुलर.
Just a second. Palak, stop talking, all of you now. Karthik, mute yourself. Yes, Palak, you can continue.
तो मैम अगर हम शी लिखेंगे तो भी तो उस पर्टिकुलर गर्ल की बात ही हो रही है ना.
Yes, I repeated this line and Sujan said yes for my response. What I said, when there, you are saying that there was a girl, she was running. Okay. When in this particular paragraph, I tell you to fill the blank with the pronoun, then you will use she. Okay. But if in this particular paragraph only, if I ask you to fill the blank with the article, in that case, what will you use?
The.
Got it now?
Yes,
Yes,
मैम
sir.
आपने
Sure.
बताया.
Okay, I told you, Sujan, I gave you this answer. See, okay, so, Palak, it doesn't matter, I will explain you. See, there was a boy, we are talking about articles, a boy. The boy was running after a dog, the boy fell down. See, now I am changing it. There was a boy. Next, dash was running after a dog. Okay, dash fell down. Palak, you just have a look over here. Then, if I will be giving you this as a paragraph, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I will give you this as a paragraph. The first one, if you can see, there was a boy. Now, also notice that in this, whenever I give you to fill in the blanks with the article, the noun will also be mentioned. Can you have a see? There was a boy. Dash boy. See, the noun is present over there. Because if there
Yes,
will be no noun, how will you write down the article? Right? So, dash boy was running after a dog. Dash boy fell down. Obviously, we cannot write he boy. Got it? So, what we will be writing here? The boy.
The boy.
And
Good
then
now,
the boy was running after a dog and the boy fell down. Obviously, the question was fill in the blanks with articles. Now, this same paragraph has been transformed here, and now the exception is that the question is that you have to fill in the blanks with the pronoun. First line is here. There was a boy. Got it? Dash was running. Now, I have not mentioned here now. The boy is not mentioned here. In that
Yes,
case,
ma'am.
you will be filling here the pronoun. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
He was running after a dog and he fell down. So there was
Yes.
a difference of what?
Noun
There
and
was a
pronoun.
difference. There was a difference of the question.
Pronoun and
Yes,
article.
Exactly. There was a difference of the question. What do we want to fill? Article or pronoun? I
Yes,
hope
boy.
everybody has understood.
Yes,
Everybody has
ma'am.
understood? Anybody
Yes,
wants to ask?
ma'am.
Anybody
No,
wants
ma'am.
to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Also, you can turn page number 118. Page number 118. Harshvardhan, have you understood? Vanchika, you can nod your heads. I can see you. If you have understood, you can nod your hands or write down in the chat box.
हम टाइम ओवर हो गया.
Time over?
मैम अभी 19 ही बच्चे हैं.
Okay. I hope you all have understood. And
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
also
Yes,
about
ma'am.
the usage on page number 118, you can see usage of the article the nations, party, communist, gulf, canal, rivers, ocean, seas, range of mountains, group of islands, newspapers, magazines, famous books, buildings, famous persons. Before all these names, we use the article the. Got it, everybody?
सारे बच्चे
Yes,
हट गए.
ma'am.
17 हो गया.
Okay. So I hope you have understood. Your homework is that you have to do 8.3 and 8.4 of the comprehension.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And just go through it. Just give a 10 minutes reading to this topic of determiners also. Okay.
मैम डिटरमाइनर्स के और काइंड्स हम कल पढ़ेंगे.
Yeah. In the next class we will do it.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Thank you all of you. And have a good day.
So, ma'am.
Have a good day all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Same to you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you and good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.